What if I told you that you could turn your love for travel into a full-time business? Yes, even in 2025, the travel industry is booming like never before. From customized vacations to local weekend tours, travelers want personal service, and that's exactly where travel agencies come in. Welcome to episode 1 of this free course, How to Start a Travel Agency from Scratch. Segment 1, the big picture. Let's begin with the big question, why start a travel agency now? After the pandemic, people value experiences more than ever before. Family vacations, destination weddings, solo trips, and corporate tours, all are on the rise. And guess what? Many travelers still prefer human assistance over booking everything online. According to recent global reports, the travel industry is projected to reach $11 trillion by 2033. So yes, this is the right time to build your own travel brand. Segment 2, the opportunity. You don't need a fancy office or a huge team to start. All you need is the right knowledge, tools, and passion for helping people travel better. With social media and AI tools, one person can now do what an entire team did 10 years ago. From creating itineraries to designing brochures, everything can be automated or done online. That's what this course will teach you, step by step, using real methods that work in today's digital world. Segment 3, different types of travel agencies. Before you dive in, it's important to understand what kind of travel agency you want to build. Here are a few types: retail agencies, selling tours and packages directly to customers. Corporate agencies, handling business travel for companies. Specialized agencies, focused on niches like adventure, luxury, or religious tourism. Online travel agencies, OTAs, fully digital platforms using websites or apps. Each model has its own pros and cons, and in upcoming episodes, we'll explore how to pick what fits you best. Segment 4, skills you'll need to succeed as a travel entrepreneur. You don't need a degree, but you do need a few key skills. Communication and sales, basic geography and destination knowledge, customer handling, social media marketing. And don't worry, we'll cover all these step by step in this course. Segment 5, course roadmap. Here's what you'll learn in the next episodes: how to set up your agency legally, how to find suppliers and partners, how to use AI tools for daily tasks, and most importantly, how to market your agency and get your first 100 clients. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and don't miss the next lesson, understanding the travel business model. Let's turn your travel dreams into your business reality. Closing line: this is the first step of your journey into the travel world. You're not just planning trips, you're creating memories for others. See you in episode 2.